Hi guys, my name is Varsha Mal and in this video I have created this makeup look. You can do this makeup look with any pink outfit or any other outfit which has more of pink in it. I have linked all the products in the description. You can check it out and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin the video. So for base makeup we are going to moisturize our face and I'm taking this one from Cetaphil. You can take any other moisturizer. I'm taking this foundation from Maybelline. This shade is a little lighter for me because I have tanned a lot. I have taken this much foundation and just putting dots on my face. I'm going to blend it using this beauty blender. So I have soaked it in water and now I'm going to blend it like this. Just dab and blend. I have taken very less foundation. If you want to keep your makeup heavy, you can apply even more foundation. And in the next step, I'm going to be using this concealer from LA Girl. This step is not that important. Sometimes I don't even apply concealer because I don't have very huge dark circles. We have to apply concealer here and here, a little bit here as well. I'm taking the same beauty blender and blending the concealer. Concealer is done. Now I'm using this loose powder from Maybelline. It's a very good one. Since I don't have extra beauty blender, I am going to use this hanky. Just taking a little bit and applying it. Now let's move to the eye part, and I was planning to do this color. This is I think orangish color eye makeup, but then I thought I should do just pink only. First I'm going to take this fluffy brush and take this color, dust it off and start applying from here and start doing like this. Then blend it in circular motion. Take some more if you need, dust it off. Now here you can apply any shimmer shade if you want to, but today I'm thinking of applying orange color, so let's see how it turns out to be, because I have orangish color here and on some part of this kurti, so I'm planning to put orange color on my eyelid. If you want to apply shimmer shade, I have another video. I will give the link in the description. You can check that out. So now I'm taking this orange shade and apply it on my eyelid. Now taking the same brush that I used earlier and blending these two. This eye is done. I'm going to do this eye and come back. Now both the eyes are done and I'm going to apply this black eyeliner from Color Bar. It's a very good one. I will link all the products in the description. You can check it out. I'm going to apply a very thin liner. I hope it works out. Now I'm going to put mascara, and before that I'm using this eyelash curler from Vega. It's very cheap and a nice one. I will link it in the description. For mascara I'm using this from L'Oreal. The best part about this mascara is that on one side it has primer, which we are going to apply and let dry for a few minutes. On the other side the mascara is given, which we are going to apply now. I have used it only twice and I'm already in love with it. Mascara is done and we need to apply something here. Taking the same brush, the same shade, dusting it off and applying it here. For my eyebrows, I'm taking this eyebrow pencil from Lakme. Just brushing my eyebrows. Since I have very dense eyebrows, I don't need to do much with my eyebrows, so I'm just filling in this part and this part. Okay guys, so it's done. For blush, I'm using this lip and cheek tint from Lakme. I always use this one because it's really nice. A lot of people make this mistake of applying blush here, but I also used to make this mistake, but you need to apply it here so that your face looks lifted. 1, 2, 3. On the nose as well. 1, 2, 3. You can use your fingers to blend it. For lipstick, I wanted to try some different shade like orange or peach, but I don't have anything as such. So I'm applying this pink shade, which is so nice. This is in the shade Pink Silk. Since I don't have lip liner, I'm going to outline my lips first. And on top of this, I'm going to apply the same lip and cheek tint that I used for my blush. Just applying it on this part. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down and let me know, and also don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. This is my page. I'm more active there and you can see more fashion and beauty related content. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.